and staff. Hi, this is Sam coming to you live from the WHVR studio. Today is Friday, May 8th, 2015. In the village of Schaumburg, it is currently 67 degrees. We are expected to have a high of 81 and a low of 58, with afternoon thunderstorms. Now please stand and join us in saying our nation's pledge.
Jamuka, Kevin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
In sports, the Blackhawks beat the Wild 4-3 to sweep the second round of the Stanley Cup playoffs. The next opponent will be determined by the winner of the Ducks-Flames series. The Cardinals beat the Cubs 5-1, and the Tigers beat the White Sox 4-1. Only one club is meeting today. The third grade photo club will meet in room 104 at 3 o'clock. Today is ice cream treat day. During lunch, bring $1 and get a yummy cold treat. The individual Spiritware winners for the month of April are Ashvi in room 107, Kyle in room 119, Taylor in room 202, and Parker in room 212. The Spiritware classroom winners for the month of April are Mrs. Chittenden, Mrs. DeLay, and Mrs. Coverman. Congratulations to all. Now a message from Mr. Schmelzer.
Today is Friday, last day for teacher appreciation, although we should be appreciating our staff all year long, and I know that you do. All right, we've got 2 more names to pull out of our superhero bag, so today's superheroes are going to be, I don't need to have my name pulled. Let's see, we've got, she's no longer here, I don't even know how that name got in there. Mrs. Benson in 6th grade, and looks like Mrs. Voss. Congratulations. All right. Now, Herbie high fives. I believe this is the 2nd floor egg. All right, let's pull some names. We have got Alicia in 203. Adarsh in 205. Arushi in 211. Arushi is in the studio. Congratulations. Haley in 210. Let's see. Rachel in 213. Whoa. Matt in 205. And the last one, Cecilia in 213. Congratulations everyone who got their name pulled. Now for the primary egg. All right, mix them up really good. This is really full. Remember, this month our cool tool is we're working on putting everything we've learned this year together and really finishing out the year strong. All right, we've got Michelle in 114. Heta in 115, Rashitha in 121, Anvi in 115, Jillian in 120. We're getting a good mix of rooms today. That's awesome. Let's see. Nithya in 121. The last one for today. Who's it going to be, guys? Our 2 pledge people are anxiously awaiting. We have got Cal in 110. Congratulations, everybody. Have a great day or not. The choice is yours.
Thank you, Mr. Schmelzer. Here's today's interesting fact. Do you know what the thin, wispy clouds high in the sky are called? They are cirrus clouds and are over 18,000 feet in the air and are made mostly of ice crystals. This week's live broadcast was brought to you by your 6th grade studio crew, the Neon Ninjas Incorporated. Have a fantastic, phenomenal French Fry Friday.